Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna start painting the fall color. The first subject is the ginkgo leaves. Let's get started. Today we'll be using only two colors, yellowed, blue, and ink. Ginkgo leaves are the most beautiful when they turn yellow in autumn. But in traditional Chinese painting, we seldom use only yellow color, which is too light to show on the rice paper. So I'll use a bit of green tone with yellow to create a nice gradient. Ginkgo leaves are quite unique with the veins radiating out like a fan. I'm going to paint a cluster of a few leaves. Due to the fact that I cannot cover one layer of color over the other easily on rice paper, I always paint what's on the foreground first. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, how you cannot cover one layer with another, please check out the magic beans that I demonstrated how it works. I'll leave a link below in the description box so that you can check it out easily. Now I'm going to use ink to paint the main branch. And I'm going to leave some gaps for some more leaves. Now I'm gonna add a couple of birds perching on the branch. For this painting, I'm gonna use a similar tone of chest, which is kind of like a light green and yellowish chest, and see how it goes. And then black wings and hat. As you can see, I purposely not washed my brush completely so that there is a bit of shades of green in my brush strokes. And now I'm gonna use the large brush to paint a thick branch. This big branch is quite crucial in this painting composition because the entire painting is very light with like light yellow and green color. So I want something more chunky yet not overpowering the subject, which are ginkgo leaves and birds. And I'm going to finish the birds with the eyes and the claws. Now I'm going to show you how to splash with Chinese watercolor. It is very similar to the Western watercolor, except the fact that the rice paper has a very high water absorbance. So I normally will control the amount of water in my brush and then add the larger spots later. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.